Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Tech and Web.
Hi everyone, just want to quickly show you this really nice grinder. This is a wet and dry grinder that you can use with everything. You can use it to grind rice, coffee, spices, pepper. It's a really nice, very efficient grinder that has a large capacity. So you have this first level and second level that is super. You can hear that? Super powerful. Like, so you could put like a cup of rice in here for like in 20 seconds you'll have a powder rice for like baked goods and stuff. It also came with a strainer here, as you can see, and also came with different blades. Check this out. Really sharp, really efficient to use. And what's really nice thing about this is, let me take this out for a sec here. All stainless steel, and I want to show you real quick the technique with the lid, because there's a few you might want to put you might put this on and it doesn't turn on simply because the lid is not put on properly. So you have this lip here that you have to align, make sure it's aligned, and align in the back as well, and you'll hear that little click, and then now it's attached. Now once you try to turn it on, it will now turn on. Had I put it in a different spot, it will not. To take it out, you have this red lever here that will pop that lid out, and there you go. You can see all stainless steel blades are really sharp and really handy tool. If you like to grind your own coffee, fresh ground coffee is amazing. Takes super fast. It's a real high quality grinder for different stuff, for wet and dry, as I said, and just very efficient. If you are in the making your own spices at home, dried basil leaves and all that stuff, this will grind it in a matter of 5 seconds. So really cool gadget for the kitchen.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.